Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove the Find or Extra toolbar in Google Chrome to make your browser cleaner. First, open Google Chrome and go to the toolbar area. If you want to remove any of these, just right-click on it. And you can remove or unpin from here. Next, you can also go to this website called Chrome/extensions, and remove all the sites like this. You can remove. Sometimes some software are embedded into your system. Software use reputable softwares like Malwarebytes to clear everything and make your toolbar more cleaner. Restart the Chrome to apply the changes. The toolbar should now be clean and minimal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos